इंसान अपने फैमिली के लिए कुछ भी कर सकता है. Our topic today has to do with car safety features that you must look into to protect your family from any mishaps. Let's have a look at some of these safety features in various car models in detail. The Volkswagen Tiguan, and the award for the safest SUV on Indian roads goes to the Tiguan. The compact SUV scored a perfect 5 on the Global NCAP crash test last year. The SUV secured a 5-star safety rating in both adult and child occupant protection measures, a first for any car from India. With an overall safety score of 71.64 points, the Tiguan is the safest car in India. The Tiguan is equipped with a range of safety features, including dual front airbags and anti-lock brakes. Higher trims also offer features such as lane departure warnings, blind spot detection, and a 360-degree camera. Mahindra Scorpio N. Time for a Desi flex. The Mahindra Group Scorpio N SUV has received the highest safety score among all Indian cars. It scored 58.18 points at the Global NCAP crash tests, in which the SUV secured a 5-star rating in adult occupant protection, but scored only 3-star in the child occupant protection. It is now officially the safest SUV from the Indian car maker. Mahindra Scorpio N comes in 4 petrol engines and 5 diesel engine options. It comes with manual 6 gears and manual override transmission. The Scorpio N measures 4,662 mm in length, 1,917 mm in width, and has a wheelbase of 2,750 mm. Tata Punch. The safest car from the Indian car maker Tata Motors is the smallest SUV that any company offers in the country. The Punch surprised a few by securing an overall 5-star rating at the Global NCAP. However, the overall safety score of Punch is 57.34 points. In India, the Tata Punch debuted in October 2021. The Tata Punch has certain SUV-like characteristics for such a small car, including a higher seating position, plenty of ground clearance, and a relatively sturdy structure. It has sophisticated driving dynamics that feel like those of a larger car, and it is stylish and well equipped. The Tata Punch is powered by a Revotron 1.2-litre 3-cylinder petrol engine with 84 bhp and 113 Nm of torque, a 5-speed manual gearbox, or an automated manual transmission, that is an AMT unit, transmits power to the front wheels from its power plant. Honda City 4th generation. The only sedan which boasts of a 4-star rating in both adult and child protection tests at the Global NCAP is the 4th generation model of City. It secured an overall safety rating of 50.30 points. The Honda City 4th generation is available in India in the petrol variant. The average mileage of the Honda City 4th generation's petrol variant is around 17.4 kilometers per litre. The Honda City 4th generation petrol comes with a 40-litre fuel tank. The Honda City 4th generation comes in 2 petrol engine options. It comes with manual transmission. The City 4th generation measures 4,440 mm in length, 1,695 mm in width, and has a wheelbase of 2,600 mm. A 5-seat model, the Honda City 4th generation sits in the sedan segment in the Indian market. So which car caught your attention? Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content.